Alright YouTube, 6220 Euro. Went ahead and cut these potatoes off and gonna have the kids help me dump it out in the wheelbarrow and see what, if anything, we have. I don't think we need to rake. Alright, you guys ready to start trying to pull the potatoes out?
Yeah.
Helpers. Alright, let's tip the bag over.
Whoa! Dump it out there. Dump it out.
You guys start digging. Come here.
Get my way.
Let's see if we get any potatoes or whether they're just dead. Nothing yet. This doesn't look good. Uh-oh.
Oh, I found something.
Hey, there's one. One potato. We'll try to shake the dirt off them, please.
I found another one. It's treasure. Oh, look, it's a mini one. It's so tiny.
Oh. Dig through it.
It's not a fail.
Don't mush it up with your hands.
Where are they? Don't you know what that is?
Whew. All right.
Yes.
Well, it's starting to rain on us again. Can't decide what it wants to do. So did we all find a potato?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, huh? Did you find a big one? Holy cow, buddy. I think you found the biggest one yet. Big, huh?
It's
pink. You found one. Keep digging, though. We don't need any whining. This is no whining zone. Dig down deeper. Run your hands to the bottom. See if there's anything in there. I think that's probably it. Appears like all the potatoes were towards the bottom, so I'm guessing the mounding it for whichever variety this was didn't work. So, oh, awesome, buddy!
I just put one in the dirt. I found one.
All right, so my potato helpers are still digging here, but that's pretty much so it. Just gonna have them dig out the roots, and then I've got a couple of seed potatoes left down in the basement, and we're gonna reload the bag and try this again. So let's go see what the weight on our great 2015 potato harvest is.
There's some dirt on the bottom.
Oh, that's okay. We'll get it off.
There's an ant. They just couldn't make it to their designated area.
Well, here's our scale. I had it zeroed out for tare weight, which was like 9 ounces or something or other. But as you can see, it reset itself. So we'll see what it is and subtract it where our great potato haul was. So out of that I think it's a 3-gallon grow bag, we got 2 pounds 15.4 ounces. So take away, say, 9 for the bowl. Got about just shy of 2.5 pounds of potatoes out of like 3 seed potatoes. So not too bad for a first try. Like I said, I don't remember what varieties these are. They might be a Yukon, but it does look like they were all at the bottom of the bag. Some of the potatoes kind of got a funky shape to them. Some of these, there was a lot of, I noticed ants, look like flying ants that were in the bag. Oops. Alright, well, since we just had our harvest, today is August 18th, so I'm going to go ahead and shovel some of this mix back in here, and my assistants are going to help me put in some superiors. I've got some of these that were left over. They're pretty well eyed up. I'm not going to worry about cutting them up or anything. I have about 2 ounces. Helper, hold the cup out.
Brayden, show the cup.
I have about 2 ounces of premix in there, so we'll put that in. Yeah, there you go, T-Man. Throw it in there. Yeah, that might take a while doing it that way. Let's try it with the shovel. Let's go ahead and we'll throw some in here. Hang on.
You take the potato.
All right.
Potato?
Hang on.
Put the potato in.
Well, put it a little bit further in the middle, buddy. No, sit it in there. Here, Kyle, they'll help you guys.
Right there?
One kind of spread them out even. All right. Now put that so the things are growing up. Well, yeah.
One more. more?
Here, hang on. Nope, that's it. That's all we need in there. All right, that's a little better placing. I'm just going to sprinkle a few inches over these, and then we'll water them in, and we'll try the hilling again. I don't remember the superiors. I think that might be what these are. So same thing. I don't know if they're going to set tubers higher or if everything will be down low. So we'll find out though. Like I said, hopefully we'll be able to get some out of this before the year's over.